Finally, I get level 2 seller batch in Fiverr. I'm so much happy to share this news with you guys because আপনাদের না বললে কারে বলবো। Now talk about like Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is like a marketplace. You know about like Upwork.com or People Per Hour or Freelancer.com. If you not understand that thing, so let me explain about that. Like suppose you just want to make a website, so you don't have idea like how to do, or if you don't have skill to complete your website, so then you just go to fiverr.com and then hire someone, and if you pay them, then they will help you to create your own website, something like. Okay, so if you want to take any kind of help, then you can go to Fiverr. Now let me tell you like what I'm just doing in Fiverr. So basically, if you see my whole YouTube channel, then you'll see I just uploaded about like WordPress related videos. So I'm just doing the same work in Fiverr. I'm just helping like mid-level business to create their online presentation or business website or e-commerce website, whatever they want. I can just help them. When I start this Fiverr, and what is my Fiverr journey? So I just started Fiverr in like 2019. That time I was learning about like web development. So that time I was a beginner, and I just thinking like if I create an account in Fiverr or other marketplaces, and if I get any kind of job, then it will be increase my experience level, and also I will earn some money. So that's why I just joined this website like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. I just create account on this website, and also I just investing time on there. But personally I was like Fiverr.com. That's why I'm just investing my lots of time in Fiverr. So and I just active in Fiverr.com. First I just create gig, then I just active in Fiverr, and first order I just get in October, and it was just like an affiliate website, as like top 10 affiliate website. But the second order, the same buyer give me in November, so it was just like an e-commerce website, and that e-commerce website price was only $20. And you know, that time I was new, and in $20 I think, oh my god, lots of money in $20. And that time in 2019 in November. In December start my final exam, so I'm not spending lots of time in Fiverr. And in 2020 first time my response time is totally gone, so that's why I just install Fiverr app. Then I 24 hour I just try to active in Fiverr. In February or March, that time start COVID-19. In April I just come in my house, and that time I don't have work to do. That time I just uploading video in my channel. You know, you just see this video in this channel. I just uploading video in this channel. Also I just active in my Fiverr, and also that time I just start learning. That time I just start like Elementor and also e-commerce website. I just building like e-commerce website that time. In April I don't have work to do, and I'm still learning. I just wait 15 days to 20 days, and I just realized that like I'm not getting new order in Fiverr. So I just start researching about like Fiverr, and I just start course to see about like Fiverr algorithm. Then I just learn more about like Fiverr, and also that time I just investing time in or spending time in like Fiverr forum. I just learn lots of thing from Fiverr forum. So now let me show you my overview about like this web, like earning web, then you'll understand. So if we go to like here, if you see here like in the May I just complete only one project in May, and then in next June I just get like how much project, let me see. Okay, so it's like 11 project, it's like $140. And then if you go to the next, then I just get like $160 about like only how much job, let me see. Okay, let's see how much job. In July I just complete 2 order, and if you go to like this August, then I just complete 4 order about like how much, $160 and with some tips. And with if you go to this September, this is about like 40 project with 436. So this is my turning point. And also the next month, also like October, this is also my turning point, about like $456 in this month. And in November I just complete like also I think 4 order, let me see. Okay, so also 4 order with $256. And this month I also complete 4 order with 216 with some tips. So if you see this web, then I just learned lots of things to complete this project. And also if you see here, I just complete like 50 project. Okay, so 50 project, but if you see here, then I just got 47 5-star review, no any 1-star or 4-star review. Okay, and also this month I just cancel some orders, because that time some buyers, some not some, 1 or 2 buyers just order my gig without any contact. So just order my gig, and they just buy my $20 pack, but they just want 120 like value. But I think that time I just think if I give them time, then I just waste my time, and also I cannot happy them. That's why I just tell him, please cancel this order, cancel this gig. They just cancel. That's why it's showing something like this. But now I just learned lots of things from Fiverr. And also if you see, I got level 2 seller batch here, maintain this standard event, level 2 seller, and here my showing this order. And now I level 2, and next I will get like top rated batch. So if I want to get this, I just need to complete 100 project with $20,000. I just need to earn, then I will get like top rated batch. This is my journey in Fiverr. So now let me tell you something about like why I just investing time in Fiverr. So the big reason is, if you see the other marketplace like Freelancer or Upwork, we just need to find work in there. But in Fiverr, we don't need to find work. But one thing I don't like, that is in Fiverr, many times suspend their like seller's account without any kind of notice. They just permanently suspend their account. So this is the big problem in Fiverr. So that's why I'm not like Fiverr, but still I'm like Fiverr, because also I'm not doing anything spam type or thing in Fiverr. So I hope you just understand something. So if you like this video, just please click on this like button, and if you want to learn something, or if you want to earn money from online, then please subscribe my channel, because I will try to upload like some tips and tricks to earn money from online. And also I will teach you guys about like WordPress. I will teach you guys about like Elementor if you subscribe my channel. And if I get the free time, I will create videos about that, and hopefully as soon as possible you will get those videos.